Italian favorite lasagna that we all know originated in Italy, in the city of Naples, very long time ago. Classic lasagna is made with 3 to 4 layers, including pasta, ground meat, cheese and some sauce on top. Today I'm making an anniversary dinner. Thanks for t-shirt. I will show you an interesting new twist on the classic lasagna made with potatoes, eggplant and ground meat. You can easily make this dish gluten-free, which I'll cover in the video. My name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. Become the hero in the kitchen. On my channel I will inspire you with proven, fun and unique international recipes delivered weekly and cooked using modern kitchen gadgets such as air fryer, instant pot, pizza oven, sous vide and much more. Alright, let's get started. You can find complete list of ingredients in description of this video. Step number 1. Parboil 6 potatoes. Set instant pot for 3 minutes. It should be enough to partially cook the potatoes. When potatoes are ready, cut each 1.5-inch slices and put them in the dish in layers. Remember to salt every layer lightly. Step number 2. Cut eggplant in half. Using chopstick, cut eggplant using Hasselback style. Cut each side into 3 pieces. Making meat filling. Combine ground beef, chopped onion, herbs, breadcrumbs, garlic, salt, pepper and spices and mix it all together. Stuff eggplant with meat filling, lay everything on top of the potatoes, top it off with marinara sauce and mix of cheeses. Optionally, you can add slice of tomato on top of each eggplant. It will make it more moist. As you can see, I forgot to do it in this video. Cover the dish with foil and cook it for 45 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until eggplant and potatoes are cooked through. It's ready to serve and impress your family and friends. If you like this recipe, leave comments in description of this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.